Okay, so as you may have known, I reached 100 subscribers recently, and I thought I would possibly do something to celebrate it, maybe thank you guys. I'm hoping this thing is open, this massive swing thing. Change of plans, we are, instead of going on the swing thing, we are going to be trying out one of these. The big massive cage, which will probably get me killed. So if no more videos come out, you'll know why. So here's to not dying. Yeah, I'm getting ready to die on this. I've got a cameraman, so this automatically makes the footage better. So I've got onlookers as well, so I'm going to have an audience for this. They're going to hear me scream. Okay, cheers.
Do you want to know when you're going?
Yes, preferably.
I mean, you'll hear them stop anyway. So,
Okay.
Yeah. That break. That little. It'll be okay.
Okay.
Just keep your head back on the seat.
Okay.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! Jesus Christ! Oh. Are you still recording that? You know what, I recommend it though. I recommend that. If this works and I get this footage somehow, then I fully recommend doing this, because this is mad. I hope I can use this footage. Okay.
Alright. So if you want to just be a 5.
I'm good. Well, that was an experience and a half. We have a winner.
One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. There you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. There you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. There you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic.
Okay, so what you saw in the video just then was what happened yesterday. So a night's passed since then, but there's one thing I did not show you during that vlog, and that is yesterday I picked up this from one of the shops in Blackpool. So I have no idea what's in it. I have no chance of knowing what's in it until I open it. So I thought I'd do a little bit of unboxing for you. So it's a Star Wars Smuggler's Bounty mystery box. So I assume you get a Funko Pop in here, which I've got a huge Funko Pop collection, so hopefully you'll get something good in here. So let's see what we get. Huh. Okay, so far we've got this pin, this Bosk Bounty Hunter pin, and we've got this Boba Fett patch which you can sew onto clothes, so I'll have to get that done at some point. Okay. So, got 2 pops and a t-shirt. So, number 1 is a Jyn Erso pop from Rogue One. That is awesome. That is actually very great. Because my pop collection is so big, I'm only collecting like main characters now. So like, I'm not going to start going for like 5 different types of stormtroopers. So, that is very good. I'm loving that. 2. This is a Smuggler's Bounty exclusive, so you can only get it with these boxes. But it's an IG-88. So that's a hell of a pop. Nothing else in the box, so put that down. I got a t-shirt. So hell yes, that's a badass shirt. I like that. I really like that. I'm going to put this on. Nice. Nice. Very nice. That is great. I'm loving that. Definitely worth the £20 that I spent on it, because usually each one of these would be worth a tenner each. So that's £20 already. But this shirt, I like that. And exclusively, and that would probably cost maybe even 15. So that's a hell of a bargain. So if you find one of these and you're either a Funko Pop collector or you like t-shirts, special t-shirts, hell yes. Definitely recommend one of these. I already said at the beginning of the video, there's a reason that I did all that. There's a reason I went to Blackpool, there's a reason I went on the catapult, and that's because I have surpassed 100 subscribers. Now, that's not much. That's not much to certain people out there. You might say, oh, 100 subscribers, what's the point? But to me, having 100 people like something you're doing is it's fulfilling. It really is. So, people you don't know, people have no obligation to like your stuff or even support you are doing it, and that's a good feeling. That's a good feeling. That's what YouTube is supposed to be about, I think. Like, doing something you want to do and people supporting that idea that you've got. I have a list of most of my subscribers here. Obviously, it's not everyone, because when you subscribe to someone, you can decide to make everyone you subscribe to private. In exchange for that, it means that whoever you subscribe to, they can't see that you subscribe to them. They only see it in their sub count. So I've got my subscribers up here. There's 108, but there's obviously not 100 names here. So I'm just going to go through everyone who is on this list. So if you hear your name out, best ever. Even if you don't hear your name out and you've subscribed to it, you're still the best ever. So let's go through them, shall we? Tyler Rydenar, I think, if I butcher people's names, I'm sorry. Zero Upload Deadman, Vil, Spectral Shadow, Blast Burst, Nolan McKenney, Ghost YT, King Zelio, Sir Shadow, the Omni Triforcer, you're definitely here because of my Ben 10 stuff, Thundertail, Zen27 Gamer, Noob Napalm Warfare 2, Curse Gaming Zone, hashtag NJ hashtag, so NJ, Mike Carey, Nicer Dicer 152, Zaynal 10, you're here for the Ben 10 stuff as well. You've got 18,000 subscribers. Kashif Sheik, I'm so sorry if I butchered that name then. Kashif Sheik, Raul Garcia, Chloe, I'm not gonna say your last name because Leroy Lester, Darius Hazano, Inya Barden. I met you at London Film and Comic Con, so thank you very much. Your cosplay was amazing at London Film and Comic Con. Hopefully I see you another time when I go down to London again. But Jake, you work with me at the workplace, so I'm not going to say your full name. Jasmine, I met you at Manchester Comic Con with the other guys when we went to get Benedict Wong, Troy Baker, Vanessa Marshall. Saw you at Manchester Comic Con last year, so thank you very much. Brando Kenobi, Foreign Aesthetic, I watched your video when you went to the vegan festival thing in Manchester. Nice video. Liam and Shadow Wolf Ace 2, you've been in my videos before, but thank you. You were my first 2 subscribers, so love that. You'll be seeing more videos with those 2 in the future, so keep your eyes peeled for them. Incredibly so grateful that everyone here subscribed to me. I know there are other people, I know certain people, I know your names that you subscribe to me and are not here because you're family, of course. And either way, it's incredibly fulfilling and humbling that you're supporting this weird thing that I've got going on YouTube. So thank you so much for the 100 subscribers. Incredibly grateful. Let's get up to 200? 500? 1,000? Is that too much? Maybe one day we'll hit the 1,000,000, but probably not. But either way, if you want to see these numbers grow and you want me to see me do more stuff like the cage thing, the next one will be 500, I think. Next time when I hit 500, I will do something else semi-crazy. Keep subscribing and sharing to your friends, and thank you so much for this support and love that you've given me. So until next time, we're over and out. Goodbye.